Hello guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I am the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I will share with you my project I created for my client. My client is a science teacher and she asked me to create some very interesting image to invite children to learn the science, and I decided to create this image in Adobe Dimension. So guys, let's start. I have opened Adobe Dimension and also I have opened my Creative Cloud library with all my images I downloaded and licensed from Adobe Stock. I will click on this image. I would like to use this image as my background in today's project. Now, I will switch to Starter Assets Library. Here we have all materials, models, lights, and images available for our usage. So if you never used Dimension before, and even if you are experienced user, you will find all those assets are very helpful. I'm using all assets, starter assets all the time. So here we have very beautiful tablet model. Let me scroll down this beautiful library. Here, tablet. I will click on it and voila. First of all, I will switch to select and rotate tool and I will rotate my tablet. Switching to select and move tool, I will help to move my tablet to the position I desire, just like that. Let's preview. Perfect. I love this tablet a lot. But I would like to apply personal touches to this tablet. How can I do this? I will click on tablet folder in scene panel. I will expand it and I will click on screen tab, just like that. I will expand this screen tab and I will be redirected to screen workspace, where I can apply any modification to my screen. First of all, I'm able to change the color of my screen. I can change color to any other color I desire, but in this case I would like to add more interesting touch to my tablet. I would like to bring my image as my screen image for today. So I will click on base color icon and I will click on image tab. Here guys, I will click on select the file link, and on my local in my local storage I have very beautiful background image I would like to use today. I will click on click, I will highlight this image, I will click open and voila, my image now in my tablet, like a screen image, just like that. Guys, very beautiful. Can I modify this image? Can I adjust something? Sure, I can adjust many things. I can customize this image in a way I like. I can add change opacity. I can add or increase or decrease glow, metallic, and everything like that. But I love this image as it is. So what I will do right now, I will switch to my Creative Cloud library. I will switch my library to a Dimension library. All these assets in my Dimension library I downloaded and licensed from Adobe Stock, and all these beautiful assets are free. So just go to Adobe Stock, look for 3D objects, and when you will see anything free, just download it. I will scroll my huge free assets library, and here I have astronaut. I will click on it just like that. And first of all, I would like to scale it down. It's too huge. This astronaut is too huge for my project. I will click on select and scale tool. I will click and hold shift key and I will scale this astronaut down just like that. Maybe something like that. Yes. No, it's too much. Perfect. Now I will maybe I will a little bit increase just like that. Perfect. Now I will rotate my astronaut. I will switch to select and rotate tool, and I will rotate him just like this. Switching to select and move tool will help me to bring my astronaut to position I like. Let's see what I would like to have, just like that, and maybe upper. Yes, exactly like this. Let's see. Perfect. Let's launch a quick render preview window. Yes, this is my astronaut. I love it. Can I move it more, rotate it more? Yes, I think I will need to rotate it more. So I will switch back to select and rotate tool, and I will rotate my astronaut slightly more, just like that. Also, I would like to customize my astronaut. I would like to add personal touches, connection between the boy and this astronaut. But I will do it just in a second. Before I will switch my libraries, I would like to add another 3D object. Here I have downloaded a very beautiful Earth object from Adobe Stock, free. I will click on this Earth object, and voila. I know that I would like to scale this Earth 3D model a little bit down. If I will highlight, select and move tool, I will be able to scale it down. First of all, if I will click on select and move tool, I will move it close to my astronaut, just like that. When I will find the right position, I will scale the size down and maybe a little bit upper. Now I will switch to select and scale tool. I will click and hold a shift key, and I will scale it down just like that. Slightly, guys, not too much. Now I will switch back to select and move tool, and I will move this Earth a little bit up and close to my astronaut. Let's preview it. Yes, I like it. I like it. I love Dimension. So now I would like to add personal touches to my astronaut. I will switch back to starter assets library. I will switch to material library, and I will click and expand my astronaut model, just like that. Here he has backpack. I will click on a backpack. I will expand it. And now I can change the color. I can add image to his backpack. But as I said just a few seconds ago, I would like to add the personal touches between this boy and this astronaut, because the boy is wearing bright red eyeglasses. I would like to add red material to astronaut backpack. So here I have very beautiful material. I will click on it, and voila. I like this material, I like this color, but I would like to add a little bit more splashes of redness color to it. I will click on a color icon, just like that. And I will move my color picker just a little bit up. Perfect. Also, I can increase metallic effect, moving metallic slider slightly to the right, just like that. Let's preview, guys. Look at this guy is so excited to see his friend, his astronaut, teaching him the science. This is the beauty, this is the power of digital imaging. Look at this, I love it. So, time to bring everything together. I will be back to my scene panel. I will click on environment tab, and here I will be able to add a new color, a new light, or I'm able to use a color based on my background image, and this is what I'm looking for. I will click on match image tab, just like that. And here I will specify a few options. First of all, I don't want to resize canvas. I will uncheck this box, but I would like to create environment light and match sunlight. Yes, please do it for me, Adobe Dimension. After I specified everything, I will click OK. And Adobe Dimension will do the job. Look at this. Perfect. Now I need to make a decision. So right now I have a kind of light comes out from this tablet, but the earth has no light, and my astronaut has no lights from his back. But if you pay attention to my background image, you will see that my boy is highlighted from the side close to the camera. So realistically, our light is located somewhere behind and above this astronaut. Can I change this light to make it more realistic? Sure, I can. First of all, I can customize my light. I can increase or decrease intensity of my light. I will increase it. Also, I can change the rotation, and now it's more close to the real environment. But also I can adjust sunlight. What I can do? First of all, I can change sunlight intensity, cloudness, and the most importantly, I can change height and rotation. So if I will move rotation slider slightly to the right, now we have the real sunlight. We have the real light located somewhere behind our astronaut. This is what I was looking for. Let me expand my quick render preview window, and now I'm more satisfied with my light. To add some personal touches to my light, I can add color to my light. Guys, it's up to you. I like my light as it is. And the most importantly, guys, if you will pay attention to this boy eyeglasses, you will see the light comes right somewhere. This light located somewhere in front of our boy and somewhere behind our astronaut. So our light works perfectly. If you would like to rotate more, you can rotate it as well, but I like it as it is, just like that. Also, you can adjust high slider will affect to your shadow. It's up to you. I will move a little bit high slider to the right, just like that, and now I'm happy with everything. So guys, I'm happy. I can click on a render button and I will be redirected to render workspace, where I can customize my rendering setting. Or before that, if I'm not sure if my client will like it, or my client will ask to add some modifications to my project, I will click on this button, share 3D scenes, just like that. And here I will be able to publish my 3D scene. When I will publish it, I will send the link to my client, and my client will be able to preview my 3D project in real time. Let's do it. I will click on publish. I will rename it tutorial in June, just like that. And I will click on create public link, just like this. Now Dimension will finish publishing my project, and after Dimension will finish publishing my project, I will see the link. See, it's uploading. Just a few seconds. Everything depends on your machine, how fast your machine is. So it's almost done. Generating link, And now I have a few options. I can copy this link, and I can send this link via text message or email or any other way. Or I can just click view on web, and we will be able to preview just like that. Look at this, guys. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is what my client will see when I share this link with him or her. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Very appreciated your time. Very appreciate of all your support. If you have any questions, please ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. Thank you again. Thank you so much. And I will see you later. Bye, guys.